Gemini CRM3226C, a commercial espresso machine designed for high performance, making it suitable for coffee shops and businesses. It consumes 4,700 wattage and operates at 220 volts with 50 to 60 Hz. It has a feature of triple boiler system with two 330 ml boiler for brewing and one 10.5 liter boiler for steam, ensuring simultaneous coffee extraction and milk frothing. This machine operates with 9-bar rotary pump for stable pressure, vital for consistent espresso shots. It is built with stainless steel housing with color white. This unit is equipped with an E61 group head known for maintaining precise temperature control and optimal extraction. The PID display allows fine-tuning of brewing time and temperature, ensuring precision. And also, it supports with direct copper pipe connection for drain and inlet to enhance convenience in commercial settings. Here are the inclusions. We have 3 portafilters. So the 2 portafilters are double basket with double spout, and the other one is naked portafilter or bottomless portafilter. Oat wood tamper, which is 58 mm, same as your portafilters. Silicone pad for backflashing. And also we have espresso brush and citric acid scooper, microfiber cloth, and descaling powder for your maintenance. We have the 2 pipes, stainless steel pipe. So the one is for drain, the other one is for inlet. I'm gonna show you how to set the temperature by press hold the positive sign. So once it starts blink, you just need add and minus. So I'm gonna set up my machine for about 90 degree and then hayaan ko lang mawala yung blink niya. And then nakaset tayo ng 90 degree. Ayan, for the left group head. Same as right group head, press hold the positive sign. Ayan. So the minimum for the temperature is 80 degree and the maximum is 102 degree. So I'm gonna set the right group head for about 91 degree and then same, hayaan ko lang mawala yung blink. So, nakaset tayo ng 90 for the left group head and then 91 for the right group head. Turo ko naman how to set the pre-infusion. By press hold the negative sign. So, P, it means pre-infusion. So, you just need to add and subtract. Yan. So, I'm gonna set the left group head for about 3 seconds. Yan. And for the right, 4 seconds. So, we have total of 7 buttons. So, at the center, this is for hot water. And then hot water dispense. Each group head consists of 3 buttons. So we have manual shot, single shot, double shot. Same as the right group head, we have manual shot, single shot, and then double shot. This machine can be programmed by volume. How to program the single and double shot extraction? So you just need to press hold the single shot button and take note, kailangan meron siyang grind coffee bago niya ma-detect yung volume. So let's assume na isa-set natin siya by 30 ml. Once ma-reach ko yung 30 ml, release lang. Ayan. So let's assume nakuha na natin yung 30 ml ng 11 seconds. Pag kinlik niya yan si single shot, automatic siya mag-i-stop ng 30 ml. So same as double shot, you just need to press and hold the double shot extraction. So same po, pag once na-reach na natin yung desired volume natin, ayan, release lang. So that's how you set the single shot, double shot button extraction. Next feature for the machine, tong handle, ang purpose niya, if ever na gusto natin babaan yung bar pressure natin and then taasan yung bar pressure. Swiping left, ayan. So, nagdi-decrease yung flow ng water niya, which means mas bumababa yung bar pressure natin sa kanya. And then, by swiping right, mas tumataas, mas nag-i-increase yung flow ng water, means mas tumataas yung bar pressure natin sa kanya. Perfect siya for pressure profiling, lalo pag gusto natin mas malasahan yung espresso shots natin. So, we are using triple boiler system, which means po, pwede nyo nang pagsabayin yung extraction natin, both left and right group head, and then steam, then the hot water. Extract tayo, and then steam, and then hot water. So perfect siya pag lalo mabilisan ang pag-operate natin. So after ng extraction, naset na natin yung timer, try natin yung steam or yung frothing natin. Ayan. So naka 4 holes na tayo sa kanya. Ayan. So medyo malakas na yung steam pressure natin sa kanya. Preheating ni machine is around 15 to 20 minutes. Paano po ba malalaman if pwede na magamit si machine? So kailangan mag-stable na yung temperature natin sa LCD, and then yung steam gauge natin sa right is umangat ng above 1. So pag umabove 1 na siya, it means po na pwede nang magamit si machine or naka fully preheat na po. So we also have cup warmer sa taas. Ayan. So pwede nyo patungan siya ng mga cups. Ayan, mainit yung cup niya. Ayan. So pag i-off na natin si machine, need to turn off po yung switch natin sa left. Ayan. And then tanggalin po yung saksakan. And much better po na i-release natin yung steam pressure natin. Especially pag ibabiyahe natin si machine, ayan, para mawala yung tubig.